All right, now that we've got our player moving around the map, it's time to add a touch of realism to our game by making the camera follow the player. Without camera movement, our scene feels static and limited. But with a smooth follow camera, we'll bring our world to life. First, let's install Cinemachine, Unity's built-in camera system that gives us powerful tools without needing to write a single line of code. In Unity, go to the top menu and select Window Package Manager. In the Package Manager window, set the drop-down to Unity Registry Search for Cinemachine. Click Install. This might take a few seconds, and once it's done, we'll have access to Cinemachine features. Next, we'll create a Cinemachine camera. Assign the player as the target and tweak the settings to get that smooth follow effect. Let's set it up. Now let's click the play button, and there we go. You'll see that the camera is now following the player as they move across the map. This immediately makes the game feel more alive and dynamic, no more being stuck in one spot or cutting off parts of your world. And the best part, we didn't have to write a single line of code. Cinemachine takes care of it for us. And if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me keep this series going. And you'll get notified when the next RPG feature drops.